an address of welcome presented by Ezeme Nicholas Chijoke, Chairman, Emene Market Traders Association, on the occasion of the 7th raffle draw Kum Traders Empowerment Scheme, to His Excellency, Right Honorable Ifeanyi Chukwu Ugwuanyi Gburugburu. Today, the 28th day of August 2017. Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Enugu State, the Deputy Governor, you were the first governorship aspirant to visit us in Oremene for a campaign rally. We vowed that our God will enthrone you as the governor of Enugu State. You in turn vowed to rehabilitate Airport Ekobinago Market Old Road and Oremene Adoration Road. The former has been completed, while the latter is ongoing, barely 2 years in office. Ifeanyi Chukwu Ugwuanyi Ashwa. Today, another history is made. You are here again. This time not to ask us for votes, but to give us hooks to go on fishing, for us to go on fishing. And again, as the first executive governor to sit with us in Oremene Market. Since February 2017, these raffle draws have been going on smoothly. Oremene Traders alone have collected a total sum of 1.2 million naira spread across 25 traders. It will technocrats, airlines, political bigwigs, and rich fellows. But you chose to sit with traders and poor ones. Like the matter in the Bible, you have chosen the best option. The forthcoming election in 2019 will confirm this. Today, Oremene Market Traders, our sons and our daughters, unanimously endorse Gburugburu for Enugu State Line Building come 2019. By this endorsement, we hereby seal Oremene Market against any would-be governorship aspirant other than Gburugburu.